My dear brothers and sisters in Jesus Christ, these days are special days for us. We are preparing ourselves to celebrate the birthday of our beloved mother. Holy days, novena days. We are praying to the Lord, asking the intercession of Blessed Virgin Mary in our life. Today, in a very special way, we meditate on the theme Blessed Virgin Mary, the mother of the needy, the mother who helps the needy persons. And we all are devotees of Blessed Virgin Mary. Several times a day, we recite various Marian prayers. The thousands of the shrines, Marian shrines throughout the world, we can see the huge number of the people are gathering, especially in these days, to ask the mediation of Blessed Mother in their life. Because they feel that our mother will be with us when we are in need, when we are in trouble. Mother Mary is with us. We can see a beautiful scriptural passage in St. John's Gospel, where Blessed Mother intercede for a desperate family in need. A family was in trouble. Mother Mary asked Jesus, and Jesus performed his first miracle, the wedding feast at Cana. Jesus and Mother Mary was invited by this wedding family to share their joy, share their happiness. An important event is taking place in their family. Mother Mary and Jesus went to this family. There she came to know they have no wine. Wine gave out. Nobody went and told our mother they don't have wine to serve. But she came to know that. She came to know about the need, urgent need of that family. Again, no family members went and requested, Blessed Mary, please help us. We are in desperate need. She took the first step. She took the first step to help that family in a desperate need. Went and asked her son, they don't have wine. Jesus obeyed. Jesus obeyed. When we meditate on Blessed Mary, the mother of the needy, I would like to share 3 points. First, the mother is with us when we are in desperate need. We may be a sick person. We need good health. We may have financial crisis. We need money to lead a decent life. We may have relationship problems. We are in a desperate need for a good relationship, a good family life, peaceful life. We may be a student working hard to learn many things and preparing for examinations. We may need intellectual capacities and memories. We may be sometimes a person without a job, desperately need a job. In these moments, are we able to invite Blessed Mary into our life like the family in Cana? She will help us. She will help us in our needs. And secondly, the Mother Mary transformed the sorrow of the needy to the joy and happiness. The family was in need. They were in sorrowful situation. But she turned their sorrow into joy. When we are in desperate need for something, we also have this mental pain, agony, sadness, sorrow in our life. If we are able to invite our mother into our life, she can transform our sorrows into joy, our pain into happiness. One person told me, Father, whenever I face so agony in my life, I recite the Marian prayer Memorare several times. When I recite this prayer, I get a big relief. I get a kind of satisfaction in my life. I feel that Mother Mary is with me. My dear brothers and sisters, when we are in agony, when we are in pain, are we able to ask the intercession of the Blessed Virgin Mary continuously in our life by reciting the Marian prayers, which are so favorite to us? Thirdly, the Mother Mary can fill our hearts with hope. When the family was ran out of the wine, when there was no wine, they lost hope. Mary filled their lives with hope. Now we are facing a big crisis. The entire world is a big crisis. A small virus is spreading everywhere, and it reminds us we are nothing. The human beings, such a developed human being is nothing, very fragile. A small virus can attack you and they can kill you. Everything is stopped. We are in a situation where the persons are losing hope. Many are admitted in the hospitals. They are facing death. Some of the families lost their beloved ones, especially those who earn the livelihood for their families. They lost their hopes. Many lost their jobs. The future became uncertain for them. What to do I will in this life? The future became so dark and uncertain. In these moments, if we are able to invite Blessed Virgin Mary into our life, we will feel that how our heart is filled with hope. The hope gives us energy. The hope gives us the dynamism to lead our life positively and creatively in our desperate moments, in our during our anxieties, worries. The hope will give us a special energy to take our life one step ahead. What we need is we have to invite Blessed Virgin Mary into our life. How we can invite? By expressing our devotion to Mary, our Mother. By reciting the Marian prayers several times. One of the beautiful prayer that we several times recite is the Holy Rosary. Recently, I met a young, unmarried lady doctor working in COVID wards. Every day, working in COVID wards and nursing and helping the COVID persons to recover, to get back their normal life, to get back their health. And she told me that, Father, every day I'm wearing that PPE, personal protecting equipments. But much more than that, I wear rosary. I hold a rosary. My personal protecting equipment is the Holy Rosary. Mother Mary is protecting me. Mother Mary is helping me during my crisis times. And this is the approach, creative approach. And when we are in need, when we are in trouble, when we are anxious, when we feel that our life is dark, the future became uncertain for us, we should invite Blessed Mother into our life. We should express our devotion to Blessed Mother through various Marian devotions, reciting the Marian prayers. Always our Mother, our beloved Mother, will be with us to assist us, to help us, to bless us. She will transform our life into a happy life, a peaceful life, a joyful life. May Almighty God and our patroness, Blessed Mary, bless all of us.